Welcome to Jesse Panda 10. Today we have Jesse Panda doing some shoveling, and he has a message for you guys.
This is an actual snowstorm.
Here, talk to your viewers.
I'm just here shoveling snow, and I know how Drop Shop Garage always makes videos about, oh, we have a snowstorm. It's only like an inch. We have quite a bit of snow.
How much do we have today?
We have quite a bit. I'm not exactly sure.
So basically what you want to tell your viewers is that today is the real snowstorm.
Come look at this.
That's easily 7 inches.
And then right here, look.
Yep. So this time you're saying we got a lot of snow,
Yeah.
and you're helping shovel. Guys, we're having a total whiteout again. And we got 10 inches of snow yesterday, and it's snowing again right now. Thankfully, Jesse Panda's helping shovel. Alrighty, say goodbye to your viewers.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day, guys.